This is how to create filter in Jira. From your dashboard, go to More on the left menu, click Filters, and click View All Filters. Then click Create Filter, and you can add your filter here. You can use the basic one. For instance, let's select project, and for assignee, you can choose a current or suggested users, and type, that will be all, or status, done, doing, or in progress. Then click Save Filter. Okay, name your filter. Let's say front end task. And you can select viewers. So for instance, my organization. And for editors, you can select group, or you can add a new group. And just click Save. So this is how to create filter in Jira.